Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, we will be talking about the course Python for Data Science. This is a very important course and every one of them, or rather I can say many of you have enrolled for this course and you are getting very good marks in the assignment portions. Now for the main exam, I have an idea for you, or in fact you can say that I have a suggestion for you that you can score more good marks and get easy questions and common questions. For that, I will refer you a website. The website's name is nptelhub.in. I will provide all the links in the description. You can have a watch at it. So let's visit the website. Python for Data Science is the website. What it contains? The only price is 99. Contains 4 weeks of notes. All the week's notes. Means how the answer is, why the answer is option B, why they will show you. They will give you notes. They will give you some extra notes about the videos, what is there in the videos. You don't have to go and listen to the videos because videos are a very long time. Videos takes very long time. But if you want, you can just visit the website and do this. It will help you a lot. This is a 4-week course and they are just giving at ₹99, which is a very pocket friendly price. You can easily borrow from them and get very good marks. Easily you can buy them. That's what I can say to you all. And it consists of all full codes made in Jupyter Notebook, where you have to use that also. So it's very easy. Their website is very friendly and very trustable. They always provide genuine answers. It will help you a lot in your main exam. That I can say. I can easily say that if you visit their website, you can get many questions common. That I can guarantee you. So I will give you a little bit suggestion that visit their website. I think it will surely help you to get good marks in your exam. So we are meeting in some other videos. Till then, bye bye, take care.